The ISA Schoolboy Basketball League has been disrupted following a reported strike by the referees over an issue which has been unresolved from over a season ago. Third Vice President of the Jamaica Basketball Association, Marlon Natty, explained what caused the dispute.
Referees, Edward Marshall to be in fact, had basically committed a breach in his executing of a game. And as such, the ISA had asked that he not be assigned to any more games, based on the fact that when the incident happened, the chairperson for ISA was on spot and had asked him to do the correct thing, and it was not followed.
Natty says the association then received a letter from ISA outlining their decision not to assign any other games to the referee, which apparently has angered his colleagues.
In fact, today, and since the receipt of the letter, I'm hearing that they will no longer be officiating any games until Edward Marshall is reinstated.